Hola, my name is Aida Luba McAllister, author of Aida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to prepare coconut milk, leche de coco, from coconuts. In our culture, we love to prepare many desserts, beverages, and ice cream with coconut milk. Did you know that the palm tree without coconuts is native to Puerto Rico, known as La Palma Real, royal palm, and the palm tree with coconuts arrived to the island from West Africa. The coconut originated in Southeast Asia. For this recipe, you will need 1 whole mature coconut and 4 cups of water. The mature coconuts are brown and they contain coconut water when you shake the coconut. If the coconut does not contain water, then it is completely ripe. The immature coconuts are green. Let's prepare the coconut so we can extract the milk from the coconut meat. This is a pre-scored coconut, a nutty fruit that is covered by a hard brown and hairy shell. Inside the shell is the white oily meat and clear coconut water. We need to puncture the eyes of the coconut in order to drain the coconut water. Let's hold a small screwdriver in place over the eye and gently tap it with a hammer until it punctures through the coconut. Continue this process for the other 2 eyes. The eyes of the coconut have been punctured. We can now shake the coconut to release the coconut water into a bowl. Let's crack open the coconut with a hammer. Place the coconut on a kitchen towel and tap the coconut shell around the equator, the pre-scored line, until you completely crack open the coconut shell. Separate the 2 coconut halves with your hands. To remove the flesh from the shell, tap 1/2 of the coconut shell with a hammer several times to crack the shell open. Let's turn over the coconut. You might be able to remove the flesh from the shell with your hands. Or use a table knife to pry the meat off from the shell. and you continue this process. This is a good example when you crack a whole coconut in half. Sometimes you are able to remove the flesh from the shell with your hands. The coconut meat has a brown skin on the back, which is edible. It is not necessary to remove the brown skin. However, you can remove the brown skin with a vegetable peeler if you so desire. I rinse the coconut meat with cold water to remove any small pieces of the shell attached to the flesh. We are now ready to make the coconut milk. Pour 4 cups of cold water into an electric blender. Add the coconut meat. Place lid and blend for approximately 2 minutes on high or until well blended. After blending the coconut mixture for several minutes, the coconut mixture has a smooth consistency. The next step is to strain the coconut mixture. I placed a fine mesh sieve over this bowl. Now I'm going to line the sieve with cheesecloth. Pour the coconut mixture through the cheesecloth. Lift the edges of the cheesecloth and squeeze out the liquid with your hands. Remove the sieve from the bowl. And here you have your coconut milk. Now you can prepare any recipes that call for coconut milk as an ingredient. The coconut milk has a sweet, tropical, and nutty flavor. You can refrigerate and use the coconut milk for 4 days or freeze and store it for 3 months. The coconut milk has a tendency to separate with the coconut cream on top and the liquid at the bottom. Just stir until you mix both the coconut cream and the liquid prior to use. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare coconut milk, Leche de Coco. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, aidaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.